Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So I am back with another tutorial video of how you can cancel your order on Shein. So make sure you have installed Shein application on your mobile phone, or you can also do the same method from the official website of Shein. So once it's done, open up your Shein application and make sure you have ordered something previously before cancelling your order. So once you have done the order, you can go ahead and tap on the Me section, which is appear on the bottom right corner. Once you do that, you can see in the Unpaid section, tap on it. You can see I have ordered this, but I haven't paid for this particular item. You can see the option called Pay Now and Cancel Order. So in order to cancel order, you'll have to obviously click on Cancel Your Order, and you will have to write down or select any reason for cancelling your order. You can select any of these. Why do you want to cancel your order on Shein? Once it's done, your order on Shein will be cancelled, and this is how it is, easy and simple. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till